Hello everyone, welcome back to another Tip Tuesday. I am the Healthy Human. Today's tip is going to be something about productivity. So the tip is to work in sets of 20 minutes. Now it doesn't have to be 20 minutes, but I just do 20 minutes as kind of like a baseline. So for example, if you are someone that kind of struggles to stick to a routine and you get easily distracted when you're studying or when you're working, sometimes working in timer sets can really help. So for example, if I have a project and I'm not feeling very motivated, I'm getting distracted by my phone easily, I will sometimes set up a timer for 20 minutes. And so what you do is you work for 20 minutes, as hard as you can, focused, just 20 minutes, and then you get a break for 10 minutes. And then you do the timer for 20 minutes again, another break. And I find this cycle just really helps you kind of stay motivated. 20 minutes is not a long period of time at all. So I feel like if you can focus for 20 minutes, your reward is you get 10 minutes break. Like go on your phone, get some food, go for a walk around, whatever. Now this can be changed around depending on your motivation levels. For example, if this is a task you really do not want to do, not at all, you have no interest in doing it, you can't do it, you can kind of reduce the time. So like maybe you just want to spend 10 minutes on it and then 10 minutes break, or 15 minutes on, 10 minutes break. If it's something you're kind of motivated by but not really, you can increase the time, like half an hour on, 10 off, half an hour on, 10 off. It really just depends on you, but I find working in time slots really helpful in keeping me motivated and keeping me on track of things. And I don't feel so guilty if every time my phone goes off or I get distracted, then I, don't feel as bad, I guess. So if I have my designated phone time or something, then I feel like I'm working a lot harder because I know that for those 20 minutes I am on it. So that is today's tip. Let me know if this helps you in any way in the comments below. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. It really helps. And I will continue to make Tip Tuesdays if you guys love them. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.